blender, add a handful of ice cubes. Add the mango cubes, mango puree, condensed milk, and milk to the blender. Blend the mixture until smooth and creamy. Adjust the milk quantity to achieve your desired thickness. Take a glass and add the cooked tapioca pearls to the bottom. Pour the mango shake mixture over the tapioca pearls, filling the glass about 3/4 full. Top the shake with a dollop of whipped cream. Garnish with additional mango cubes on top of the whipped cream. Insert a thick straw or bubble tea straw into the glass for easy sipping.